bushman, original bushman. All with a Benz we a drive and we live on the hill, we are no stoosh man. Jah give me planet Earth for joke span, yes, plant the food to feed all nations.
Welcome to another edition of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and the location for today is Heroes Circle. Stay tuned for the next half an hour as we bring you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle straight from Jamaica. Miss Universe Jamaica Northeast kicked off with a bang at the Moon Palace Jamaica Grande. We were there for the launch and the sashing of the ladies. Let's check it out.
My name is Clifton Reeder, the general manager of this beautiful resort. And I would like to welcome one and all to Moon Palace Jamaica Grande, right here in Ocho Rios. It's certainly a pleasure to be hosting this event this evening. And I'm sure we have beautiful ladies, but we have brilliant minds. And that we're going to celebrate tonight.
Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance.
Today you're witnessing a new beginning of an incredible partnership between the Miss Universe Jamaica Northeast franchise and the Moon Palace Jamaica Grande. It's a partnership which we hope will eventually become a marriage of two incredible franchises, Miss Universe and Palace Resorts.
Don't tell your mother, kiss one another, die for each other, we're cool for the summer.
Well, I entered the pageant because I saw it as a perfect platform to help people who are suffering from low self-esteem, and of course, I want to win the crown.
What are you looking forward to most about the pageant?
Well, to gain self-gain, to gain confidence, and just to show the world that there is so much more that is beyond beauty. I entered the pageant because I knew it was going to be a great opportunity. I knew that I was going to meet new people. I just feel that the experience would just bring me to different places.
What are you looking forward to most about the pageant?
To winning, of course.
We traveled from St. Anne all the way to Portland, actually. Having casting calls and looking for girls, we went into the deep rural parts of Jamaica. Because you know what, most times is the Kingston girls are the ones who are entering pageants like these. So I went into the rural Jamaica and find all of these lovely ladies, because a lot of them, they look at themselves, and because they're country girls, you know, they don't see the true beauty in themselves. So that's what we did this year. Why do I do it? I love fashion, I love beauty.
The girls are incredible. I met them all, and they're great. I think it's going to be a tough decision at the end to crown their successor, you know, Miss Nicole Stoddard. So I think it's great.
My reign has been fantastic. I did a lot of traveling abroad, a lot of modeling, charity, giving back. It was an amazing year, and I'm very thankful for that.
A couple months ago, we were approached, and it's something we could not say no to, because it's a development of young people, and those same people will gain so much confidence, and they will be part of the workforce soon, and maybe, just maybe, part of Palace as well. But wherever they end up, we will still be supporting them, because on the 18th of June, they're going to have the finals right here. And I am sure the ones going to the national finals will have Moon Palace support as well.
And before we go to our first commercial break, let's listen up to some more tips on how we can keep safe on our roads, courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited. We'll be right back.
Here are a few tips in which you can stay safe on our roadways. Watch your speed. It may seem like a no-brainer, but with so many cars on the roads, it's wise to be courteous to other motorists and mindful of all traffic laws. travel at the posted speed limit in good conditions, and adjust your speed when the going gets rough. Factors such as rain, construction on the roadways, and bumper-to-bumper traffic may slow you down. Maintain a safe following distance. No one likes being tailgated, and if the driver in front of you has to come to a quick stop, following too closely could have dangerous consequences. That's why it's important to maintain a safe following distance from the car ahead of you. You may need to increase the distance between your car and the vehicle ahead of you if it is a motorcycle, for example, as they can come to a stop more quickly than heavier vehicles. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.